Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we are going to learn theorems. First theorem is the sum of the all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It means angle sum property, one of the triangle. So another one theorem. So that is the exterior angle property theorem. So one is angle sum property and another one is exterior angle property. So these two theorems we have to prove it. So first one, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know that already in the 5th standard, 6th, 7th and 8th standard we learned. So what is that? The sum of all interior angle equal to 180 degree. Last year also we want to prove it, this theorem. So this year I want to show that theorem, proving of theorems. See here, first I will draw the diagram. So that will become, I will take as a ABC is a what? Triangle. In that triangle, so I will, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, correct? So the sum of these interior angles equal to 180 degree. We want to prove it. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So this is the one to prove it. Okay, this is to prove. Correct? So given triangle ABC of an interior angle, angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3. Okay. So next I will draw the line. So that means this is called as DE. So this DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So draw DE is parallel to BC. It passing through the point A. DE is passing through the point A. So next proof is so proof. So angle, we know that this is 1. I will take this is 4 and this is 5. 1, 2, 3. This is 4 and this is 5. I will take in our reference. Okay. So now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That one we want to prove it. So firstly, angle 4 and angle 2. What is this? See here, DE is parallel to BC. Automatically, AB is what? Yes, AB is transversal. Therefore, angle 4 and angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Can I write angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because of alternate interior angle, correct? Because of DE is parallel to BC, therefore AB is a transversal. So now, so if you are continuing, this means, so here these two are what? Alternate interior angle, therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now, next again DE is parallel to BC, AC is a transversal, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, again alternate interior angle, correct? So now, see students, so DAE is a straight line, correct? Therefore, angle 1, angle 4 and angle 5. So these three angles, the sum it become to 180 degree because of linear case, correct? Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, it is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. The sum of these angles will become to 180 degree because of DAE is a straight line. So straight line is nothing but 180 degree, correct? So next angle 1 as it is I will write now plus angle 4 instead of, can I write angle 2? Angle 4 instead of angle 2 plus angle 5, angle 3 instead of, sorry, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, it is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 instead of, angle 4 instead of angle 2 I will write. Angle 3 instead of, angle 5 instead of angle 3. Correct? So this is not 3 and 5. Sorry. This is 5 and this is 3. Okay. So now angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So angle 5 instead of, I will write angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So now our proof is become correct. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So the angle sum property means, see here, very simple. In any triangle, you can take any triangle, the sum of all three interior angles equal to 180 degree. Got it? So next one, so theorem, second theorem, exterior angle property. So exterior angle property we know already in the last classes, in the last year classes, we discussed in the exterior angle property. What is mean about the exterior angle statement? See students, if a side of a triangle is produced, you can take any side of a triangle, you should produce any one of the sides, it become one of the exterior angles. It form an exterior angle, that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. See, yes, ABC is one of the triangle. I will extend the BC, correct? So BC, if I extend, means it form one of the exterior angles. These are the interior angles, correct? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So these are the interior angle. This angle ACD, I will take D. So ACD is what? Exterior angles. That is, I will take the 4. 1, 2, 3 is the interior angle. Angle 4 is the exterior angles. What is the property? This exterior angles equal to angle 4. Angle 4 is the exterior angle, correct? These exterior angles equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. So what is the opposite of the interior angle? 1 and 2. This sum 1 and 2, these two angle sums equal to the exterior angles. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That's all. So firstly, exterior angles property, what is it? What is said that? So exterior angles equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So what is the opposite interior angle of the exterior angle? So exterior angle, if it is a 4, opposite is 1 and 2. But 3 is not opposite, it is a adjacent, not opposite. Okay. So that one you want to prove it. This is to prove. So let me prove it. So firstly, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, correct? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to what? Correct, 180 degree because of angle sum property. Correct? Now only we are proving it. So next, angle equation number 1, this is called as number 1. And angle 3 and angle 4. If you are add means what will you get? Again 180 degree because of these are linear pair. Correct? 3 and 4 is the linear. BCD is a line. Therefore, angle 3 and angle 4, these are the linear pair. Sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. Next, so you call it as number 2. From 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, so RHS is equate. So LHS is also equate. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So now angle 3 get cancelled. Remaining angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2, it is equal to angle 4. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That's all. See here, the sum angle 4 is the exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 is the opposite interior angle. These sum is equal to the exterior angles. Got it? So that's all. Understand? Okay. So we go to the next one. So directly we are going to the exercise problems related to these properties, these theorems. Okay. First one. Sides QP and RQ of a triangle PQR are produced to a point S and T respectively, and SPR is equal to 135 degree, and PQT is 110 degree. Find the PRQ. See students, what they are given? SPR given. This is SPR given, correct? This angle. And PQT is given. So PQT 110 degree. What we want to calculate? PRQ. So that one we want to calculate. PRQ. Okay. So firstly, I will do it. So 135, I will find the QPR first. If I find these angles, directly we are find these angles because of exterior angle property. If I use means directly we are using this. First linear pair I will use it. See here. First I will draw the diagram. This is 135 degree. So that is S and this is P. P, this is S, this is Q and this is R. So here also it is extended. So this is Q, this is P. So this will become 110 degree. So that is 135 degree. So now we are to find out the, what is that? PRQ. PRQ we want to find out. This angle we want to find out. Okay. So first of all, so first SP are given 135 degree. Okay. So that's why I am using the linear pair. These two angles are linear pair. If you are this angle, that means QPR. Okay, and then this angle and this angle and this angles. These are the exterior angles. Opposite of interior angles. This sum is equal to 110 degree. Correct. So that's why, see students, SPR plus QPR. QPR is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Correct. So now SPR how much degree? 135 degree plus QPR we want to calculate is equal to 180 degree. So next QPR, it is equal to 180 minus of 135 degree. So 135 degree is minus 135. Therefore angle QPR, it is equal to, so 180 minus of 135, it become how much? 45 degree. 40, 40, 80 and then 45 degree. So QPR is equal to 45 degree. Okay students, this is 45 degree. So we want to calculate what is that? PRQ. This angle we want to calculate. If you want to calculate this angles, so if you are using this again linear pair after this angle finding, then you are using that what? Angle sum property. Otherwise, directly we are using the exterior angle property. Here students, TQP or PQT, angle PQT. So this is the exterior angles. This exterior angle equal to the sum of the interior angles. What are the interior angle? QPR, correct? QPR plus PRQ. Because of what is that? Exterior angle property. Okay. Now PQT how much? PQT is a 110 degree. It is equal to QPR how much degree? QPR how much? 45 degree. Plus angle PRQ we want to calculate. So 45 means, so 110 minus of 45, it is equal to angle PRQ. So 110 minus of 45, how much? Therefore angle PRQ, it is equal to, so 110 minus of 45, 110 minus of 10, the 100 minus of 30, 70 and 7, 65 degree. So angle PRQ is a 65 degree. 65 plus 45, 60, 41, right? Understand students? So like this we have to calculate. That's all. Question number 1 is over. Like that I will go to the question number 2. Angle X is equal to 60 degree, 62 degree. And angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. If YO, ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find the angle OZY and YOZ. Okay, let us find out. Okay students, angle X is equal to 62 degree, they are given already. Okay, and then we will draw the diagram first. X, Y and this is Z. So YO and ZO. See there, YO and ZO is the angular bisector. Bisector of angle XYZ. YO is bisector of angle XYZ. ZO or OZ. ZO is bisector of angle XZY. Okay. Now we want to calculate OZY. OZY. This angle we want to calculate. This is question mark. And then another one YOZ. YOZ. This angle is also question mark. So two angles we want to calculate. So firstly they are given angle X, they are given what is that? 62 degree. And also this is 54 degree. Correct? Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. XYZ, sorry. XYZ. This is 54 degree. So totally this angle is 54 degree. Okay, nice. Now how we are calculating the OZY and YOZ? Firstly think it. So first X they are given, Y is given, Z firstly we have to calculate. First we want to calculate angle Z. After the bisecting, OZY we have got it, or YZO, correct? So first of all, Z angle you have to calculate it or find it. So which property we are using? Yes. So angle sum property. The sum of angle is equal to 180 degree, correct? So therefore, in triangle XYZ, so angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z it is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay, so this is one. Angle X we know that 62 degree. Angle Y we know that what is that 54 degree. Plus angle Z we know that we don't know. We have to calculate is equal to 180 degree. So 62 plus of 54. 60 plus 50 110. 110 118 degree. See 60 and 50 110. 110 114 and 116 not 116. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 5 11. 116 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So now angle Z is equal to 180 minus of 116 degree. So therefore angle Z is equal to 180 minus of 116, 64 degree. So angle Z is nothing but XZY. XZY is equal to 64 degree. Okay. So now, angle Z is equal to 64 degree means, so YZ or ZO or OZ. So what is that? ZO is the bisect of angle XZY, correct? Therefore, ZO is angle bisect of XZY. Therefore, if the angle XZY is a 54 degree, 64 degree means, so if you are bisect the ZO, so each angle is become 32 degree, correct? Therefore, angle ZO or OZ, ZO is a bisect of angle, what is that? XZY. Therefore, if you are bisecting XZY divided by 2, it become OZY, it is equal to OZX or XZO. So what is that? XYZ how much degree? 64 degree divided by 2. What is that? 32 degree. So that means this angle is what? Angle OZY. So this is 32 degree. Correct? This is also 32 and this is also 32. So one angle we have got it. That means what? OZY. We have calculated. So remaining YOZ. This angle we want to calculate. So this angle is 54 degree. If you are bisecting the OY or YO, so each angle is become 27 degree. Correct? Therefore, YO is a bisect of angle XYZ. Correct? So now angle XYZ by 2. So what are the each angle XYO? Angle XYO, it is equal to OYZ. Angle OYZ. So this is 54 degree. It is equal to 2 divided by 2. It becomes 27 degree. What is the angle? Angle XYO. It is equal to OYZ. So therefore, angle XYO is equal to 27 degree. This angle we need it. Correct? So finally, this is 27 degree. This is also 27 degree. So now this angle we want to calculate. YOZ. We have considered and triangle OYZ. In triangle OYZ. So in that angle YOZ plus angle OYZ. So sorry, this is OYZ. XYO, OYZ. Okay. So next YOZ, OYZ and okay YOYZ, YZOR, OZY, OZY plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. So YOZ how much? YOZ is equal to 27 degree plus angle OZY how much? 32 degree plus angle YOZ, it is equal to 180 degree. So 30 plus 20, 50, 57, 59 degree. This is 59 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. Therefore, YOZ it is equal to 180 minus of 59 degree. So therefore, angle YOZ it is equal to, so 180 minus of 59 will become 121 degree. Understand, students? So two angles are OY. So one is OZY. OZY how much? 32 degree. XYZ. This is OZY and YOZ. OZY how much? OZY is 32 degree. So OZY is 32 degree and then YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Got it? So next, fifth one. I will go to the question number 5th. So read it, question number 5th. Very easy question is there. Yes. What is the question number 5th one? In the figure, if PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay, that means it becomes 90 degree. Now, PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, now angle SQR is equal to 28 degree and QRT is equal to 65 degree. Find the value of X and Y. So first I will draw the diagram. This is P, Q, R and this is S and this is T. Correct? Okay. So this is X and this is Y. So this is Y. And then another one, this is 28 degree. And this is 65 degree. Okay. See students, SQR is equal to 28 degree. SQR is 28 degree. And another one, QRT is equal to 65 degree. QRT is 65 degree. And find the value of X and Y. These two angles we want to find out. So in the given, angle P is equal to 90 degree because of PQ is PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is perpendicular to PS. That's why angle QPS is equal to 90 degree. Okay, number one. So students, this is, if you are finding this angle, so easily we have to find out the X because of PQ is parallel to SR. Therefore, SQ is a transversal. Therefore, if you this angle is equal to the X because of alternate interior angles. So that's why we are calculating this angle. That means QSR we want to calculate. So how we are calculating? So we are using the exterior angle. Easily we have to find out. See here, angle QRT, it is equal to opposite exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. What are the opposite interior angle? SQR for RQS. SQR plus RSQ or QSR because of exterior angle property. Okay. See, QRT how much degree? QRT 65 degree. It is equal to SQR how much degree? 28 degree plus QSR we want to calculate. So if you are sent the minus 28, 65 degree minus of 28 degree is equal to angle QSR. So what is that? 65 minus of 28. 65 minus of 20, 50 minus of 8, this is 7. 15 minus of 8 is 15 minus of 8, 8 plus 15. Okay, right. The remaining is 5. 5 minus of 2 is 3, 37 degree. So therefore QSR, therefore angle QSR is equal to 37 degree. That means, see, PQ is parallel to SR, therefore angle PQS, it is equal to QSR because of alternate interior angle. Okay. Now angle PQS, how much degree? PQS is, QSR is 37 degree, correct? This is 37 degree. Therefore PQS is also become 37 degree. Therefore PQS, it is equal to X, it is equal to 37 degrees. So X we have calculated, we have find it. So remaining Y. Okay. See here, this is 37 degree. So therefore this is also 37 degree. That X is also 37 degree. See PQS, if you are considering this angle, so Y we have to find out which property? Yes, angle sum property. Yes, in triangle PQS, in that angle PQS plus angle PSQ plus angle SPQ, it is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. PQS how much? PQS, that means X, that means 37 degree, plus angle PSQ how much? Y, we want to calculate the value of Y, and SPQ is equal to 90 degree because of perpendicular, is equal to 180 degree. So Y plus, so 90 plus 37, so 190 plus 30, 120, 127. So 127 degree is equal to 180 degree. So remaining Y is equal to 180 minus of 127 degree. So remaining Y is equal to, so how much? That 53 degree. Understood? So like this we have to calculate the value of X and value of Y. Understand students? 180 minus of 126, is it right? 10 minus of 7 is 3. Here remaining 7. 7 minus of 2 is 5. 1 minus of 1 is 0. Okay, right. 153 degree. Got it? So like this we have to calculate. The last question, number 6. In the figure, the side QR question number 3, 4 remaining is there in your textbook. You have to do in your room. I will not solve it here. Okay. So I will go to the question number 6. In the figure, side QR of a triangle PQR is reduced to a point S. If the bisect of angle PQR and PRS meet at the point T, then show that QTR is equal to half of the QPR. Okay, students. First, I will draw the diagram. So this is PQR, and this is S, and this is T. Okay. See, in the figure, side QR and QR of a triangle PQR is produced. QR is produced up to S, to point S. If the bisect of angle PQR and PRS, PQR and PRS, PQR and PRS. So this angle and this angles are bisects. That means if these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Correct? So these two bisector line will meet at the point T. So PQR bisector line QT and PRS bisector line RT. So QT and RT is meet at the point T. So we have to prove that QTR is equal to QTR. Angle QTR, this angle it equal to half of the QPR. Half of the QPR. Okay. So let us find it. Let us prove it. So firstly, so we will take this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7 in our reference. So firstly, see students, I will take that TQR triangle. In triangle TQR, okay, TQR. Here TQR. In that RT is what? RT is a bisector of TRS, angle TRS, correct? Therefore, angle 6 is equal to angle 7, angle 6 is equal to angle 7, like that. PQR, you should take PQR triangle. In triangle PQR, in that angle PQR is a bisector, which is a QT is a bisector of angle PQR. So therefore, QT is a bisector of angle PQR. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These two angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay. Now, see friends, firstly I will take it PQR. In triangle PQR, in that 7 is the exterior angle, correct? 7 is the exterior angles. The sum of the opposite interior angle 1 plus 4. Therefore, angle 7 it is equal to this angle. See students, this is an exterior angle. This is the opposite of 1 and 4. We are consider only TQR triangle. In the TQR, TRS is the exterior. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle 1 and 4. This sum is equal to angle 7. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 4. Okay. I will extract the angle 1. If I will send the angle 4, it means angle 7 minus of angle 4 it is equal to angle 1. Okay. Angle 7 minus of angle 4 it is equal to 1. Call it as number 1. Next, in triangle PQR, you should consider PQR. In that, so here again I am using the exterior angle property PQR. In that, PRS is the exterior. So PRS exterior angle means angle 6 and 7 both. These two angles, the sum of these two angles is become a PRS. Okay. Therefore, PRS is equal to PRS means angle 6 plus angle 7. This is the exterior angles, correct? These exterior angle equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. What are the opposite interior angle? Angle 2 and angle Q, angle P and angle Q, correct? Angle P is angle 2 plus angle Q is angle 3 and 4. The sum of angle 3 and 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay. So next, so equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So otherwise, not giving here. So angle 6 instead of, I will write angle 7. Can I write angle 7? Because of angle 6 is equal to angle 7. Therefore, angle 6 instead of angle 7 I write down, plus angle 7 as it is write down. It is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 instead of, can I write angle 4? Yes. Angle 4 plus angle 4. So now 2 times of angle 7, it is equal to angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 4. So now angle 2, you have to here keep it here only. Angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 4 you have to send here. Therefore, angle 2 times of angle 7 minus of plus 2 times of angle 4 if you have sent means minus of 2 times of angle 4. It become angle 2. Okay. Now, so common factor 2 is the common factor. Remaining angle 7 minus of angle 4. It is equal to angle 2. So 2 times of angle 7 minus of angle 4. Angle 7 minus of angle 4. What is get? Angle 1. Therefore, angle 1. Angle 7 minus of angle 4 instead of angle 1 from the equation number 1. Okay. So, it is equal to remaining angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to 2. If you are saying means 1 by 2. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So, 1 divided by 2 is equal to angle 2. So, what is the angle 1? QTR. Therefore, QTR, it is equal to half of the angle 2 means QPR. QPR. Hence the proof. See, QTR is equal to half of the angle QPR. QTR is equal to half of the angle QPR. Understand? So like this, we want to prove it. Understand? So very easiest problems. Okay, you have to practice in your home these all questions. And remaining 2 questions in your textbook is that you have to solve in your home. Okay, students? Okay. In the next classes, this chapter will become over. In the next classes, we are discussing the new lesson. Okay, students? Thank you.